Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can properly install an app. It's simple, simply go to the software you would like to install. So for example for us we are going to install this VPN called Proton. It's simple, simply start by clicking it on it, then after getting this result, you can click here to choose the language you would like to use. So let's use English, then click on Next. Click Next. Again, so from here is where you would like to set your files of software in. So after click on Next. So simply click on Install. Then wait as your software proceed. So now as you can see it's been properly installed, so click Finish to end the procedure. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.